Welcome to the installation guide of Fishbone Offroad's hood-mounted high-lift jack mount for Jeep's 2007 to current Wrangler and Gladiator. Step 1. Remove any aftermarket accessories in the way of your hood hinges, and with a T45 Torx bit, remove the 2 bolts from one hinge at a time. This will help retain the body hinge alignment. Step 2. The brackets are left and right side specific and can be identified by each L angle pointing inward. First, place 2 of the included spacers onto each hinge, followed by the respective bracket, and secure both with 2 of the included bolts with a 5mm Allen wrench. Step 3. Apply thread locker to the end of one of the included studs and install it into the bracket until it is flush underneath the plate. Allow the gel to dry for about 10 minutes before installing your jack. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 4. With the help of a friend, lift your jack onto the brackets and determine which rail holes you would like to use. With the included washers, lock washers, and knobs, secure the jack to the mount through the rail. And you're done.